What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz, Miller, Ryan, Spencer, the train, back here with another video. Today is gonna be our Riverside prep day. We are currently picking up the trailer. We're gonna be trailering the Skyline this year, and we got a lot of work to do before we can leave early tomorrow morning. So I will see you guys when we get to U-Haul. All right, well, we got the rig loaded up. This is my first time towing a trailer, so we'll see how this goes. Wide turns. Shout out to Ryan for all the help, but we're getting ready to go pick up the Skyline tonight. I'm probably just gonna tow it back from the paint shop tonight, and then off we go tomorrow. As you guys can see, we have the truck and trailer safely back home. It really wasn't as bad as I was thinking towing. Obviously, it doesn't have any weight on it yet, but taking the turns wide, reversing was a little weird, but I'm sure we'll be fine for the trip. Now, we do have to do a couple things tonight to get ready to leave at the crack of ass tomorrow. We are picking up the Skyline from paint tonight, so we're gonna do that. I gotta put my spacers on the car so we can make the T5s fit a little better. We gotta put the spacers on Ryan's car. We gotta load up the truck, and then that will conclude our night. Like I said, we're leaving Stockton's at 7 in the morning, so we got a bright ass, early ass morning ahead of us. Did just want to give you guys a little rundown on what tools and everything we're bringing. So we got the jack, we got a chair for the meets, pre-meets, we got the straps, jack stands, lantern, all my impacts, zip ties, sockets, wrenches, adjustable wrenches, everything like that. So that is what we're gonna load up in the truck later tonight. But because after I get the car tonight, we got to put on the spacers on both cars, I don't want to pack up that stuff just yet, but we'll be doing that a little bit later tonight. I told y'all Ryan was installing this new wheel, and here it is, bro. Here it is. Are you gonna sit in there? What do you think, Spencer?
Nah, bro.
Dude, that's awesome. Hold on. Hold on.
It feels really good.
This is tiny, bro.
Hold up the 330 for
all right, so here's a 330, which is, I believe, the size of my wheel. Towers over this new one. Dude, this is crazy. Yo, what? Should I get a little wheel?
Dude, they're so awesome.
They're sick, dude. They're sick. But anyways, I love it. All right, y'all, so here's the before in the rear, very tucked. We're hoping it gets to that front fitment, a little bit of poke, a little bit of little wheel fitment. Again, here it is from the top.
Hey, I'm straight.
And we're getting ready to toss them on. Getting it good and tight there, Donnie?
Yeah, I can't fucking drag out kind of.
Moment of truth.
Oh, shit.
I'd say that's pretty good, man. Is it touching?
No.
That's pretty.
Let me see.
That's pretty gas. It's pretty fuego, man. Go ahead. Oh yeah, you're set.
Dude, I mean, it might rub on like big bumps, but
I don't think that's a problem.
Yeah.
And it looks 8 billion times better than before. See if y'all can see that.
That shit look like the battle pass.
Yes, the battle pass for real, bro. Side number 2 is on, and it's looking really good. It's looking really good. We're getting ready to take it for a test drive to make sure none of the wheels fall off, crazy wobbles, wiggles, knocking, anything like that. So let's do it. This is why you test drive. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the wheel is literally wiggling. You definitely can't see it. The wheel is going like this, so I think those lug studs coming out of the hub are hitting the back of the wheel, so they must be tightened down crooked, and unfortunately I don't think the spacers are gonna work as good as it looks. I don't think he wants camber spacers on, so rip. It's like a worm, bro. It's like a wiggly worm. I also balled out today and went and got the 24 karat gold plated ratchet. I'm gonna use it. This thing's gonna get beat to absolute shit. It's gonna look great doing it. So finally found one at Harbor Freight today and decided to pull the trigger because I got paid. So what the hell? Looks sick. All right, y'all, it is 12:15. It is now time to go pick up the car. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so here is the car. We're in Statesville, North Carolina right now. We're getting ready to head back out on the road, but I wanted to stop and show you guys this because I haven't had the chance to until right now. So I literally stayed up all night. We got to the shop at 12:45, cracked a Red Bull around 3:30, left the shop at 6:45, straight home, packed up the truck, packed up the car, and here we are. So here is the beautiful, beautiful Millennium Jade Green. We got the headlight cover on. We got the mirrors, the whole kit on. I wish you guys could have seen this thing when it was in pieces. The doors were off, the trunk was off, the hood was off, the kit was off, the mirrors were off, everything was off, all of the trim. It was a lot, but we got it done, and here it is. I would like to remind you guys that this is 90% done. I am dropping it back off on Monday to get it wet sanded, fix any of the little marks, fix any of the runs in the clear, any chips or anything in the paint. So it will be 100%, although it is not this second. So anyways, we're getting ready to get back on the road, and I will see you guys in Chattanooga. I'm beyond excited. Also cruising with us today, we got Stockton's E46 M3, tandems, chrome tint, and a bumper that is soon to be painted. We got Felipe's car, white on white with the Heritage wheels, and you guys of course know Ryan's car, the Laurel. We got an S5 over there. I'm sure that thing hauls ass. It's not gonna have any problem keeping up with us in the mountains. However, I am a little nervous how the truck is gonna do in the mountains. It maxes out at like 70, going up a hill, rolling tons of coal, but we'll get there slowly but surely. Yo, how's your drive so far? Yeah, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. All right, y'all, we are finally here at the Cozy, Georgia homestead. We're actually just across the border in Georgia. We got all of our stuff unpacked. Currently washing all the cars before the pre-meet tonight. And I wanted to show you guys how good the Skyline looks, dude. So, got the new paint, same kit. Got the spacers on, so the fitment is pretty freaking fire for fitment spacer. But we're getting ready to go to the pre-meet. I would not recommend your first time towing. A, be 9 hours, and B, be sleep deprived. Like I said, I didn't go to sleep last night. Killed it though. Truck killed it. Shout out Moon's the truck. Skyline is here, and it hasn't really set in yet. I don't know when it will, but super grateful to have this thing back, man. So we are at the remainder of the pre-meet. Bye. I'll catch you at the Hizzy. Bye. We're at the remainder of the pre-meet. I want to show you guys my car out here this evening. Fucking so good, dude. So good. Dude, out of nowhere. I don't know if y'all have seen this on Instagram or not, but freaking LS limo on like Bazerias or some three-piece wheels or something, dude. What in the fuck? What in the fuck? How's he walking? Yo, Jay, if you're watching this right now, dude, rip. MB, hardtop, Meisters, gas little car. Oh, okay, the SS chopping, but it's not SS. I lied. Yo. One of the cleanest fucking E36s I've seen in my life. Matching blue center caps, I might add. Gas. What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller back here with another video. Today is going to be the Chattanooga Riverside show day. We're going out for a cruise this morning. We're going to go to the show this afternoon. Probably get into a post meet later tonight. So without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. All right, y'all, so we made it to the show. And this is the first person I see when I pull in. Kazin's car, freshly kitted, freshly painted, VSSDs, and then the Skyline. Gas. We're gonna be cruising. I think we're getting breakfast. We're not hitting the show yet. I don't even know if it's open yet. Yeah, but it's gonna be going on all afternoon. So we'll be just walking around, hanging out, seeing what we see. This thing's spooling right now. Do you hear that shit? You hear that shit? Yeah, he fast. Dude, this thing fitted, bro. Little shoe car. Stockton, what are you doing? Why don't you have this fitment, dude?
Y'all even got a painted bumper, bro.
Fucking walking to breakfast, dude. Everybody is out here. This seems more packed than last year, dude. I don't know how I got a spot in the lot, but very happy I did. Daddy Kyle? Oh my god.
How hard was it to find parking?
Dude, it really wasn't bad. always fun seeing the Stance cars roll through the city. So we finally made it to breakfast. French toast, grits, cold brew. Ryan got 18 pounds of food. I don't even know how much that was. But we're gonna be finishing up at breakfast and going back to the show. I'm very excited to walk around. I'm still sleep deprived and like disoriented. I feel it. So hopefully after tomorrow I'll feel a lot better. But we still have a long ass day ahead of us, and it's gonna be great.
What's up, YouTube? This is Custom Girl 420 coming back. I'm just kidding. Hey guys, it's Ryan. Fitz is somewhere. I don't know where he is, but we took his camera, filmed a little thingy. Kasdan. You guys probably know him on TikTok.
Yeah.
Kasdan's friend over here in Riverside, Chattanooga. I guess Chattanooga, Tennessee. C8 over there.
Frothy Monkey.
Yeah, we had the Frothy Monkey.
Very good.
Very good place to eat. It's over at the Choo Choo building. Yeah.
All right, y'all, we are finally back at the show after a long-ass breakfast, long-ass morning. The first thing we see when we get here is a Prelude with a matching trailer. So he welded up the trailer to it. It's got seats in it. It's got a radio in it. This thing's sweet, dude. Oh my God. 1.5 Preludes. And it's boosted. Fat turbo on this, Sean. Yo, I'm sure it tows just fine. Riverside is one of my favorite shows because it always has just the best quality cars. But the amount of crazy shit you see here is unbelievable. I don't even know what this is. Across from it, R31 touring, R31 wagon. What is this, dude? What is going on? Please let me know what this is. Dude, so this thing's sweet. RB20 R31 wagon. Little wheels, and it's in like mint condition too. Love it. So we have an SL something, 400, 500 on Model 5s. Drift fitment. It is pretty low, dude. Blast pipes. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Honest nuts. Spacer God. Me too, though. Me too. Okay. Strive to have my car on this level one day. It is completely gone through. Downturns. Beautiful paint. T5Rs. Overs. It is just such a good car, dude. Such a good car. Beautiful S4 wagon, dude. We'll take 2 of those, please. And then JZX81 Crestado looking thing. I don't know, but fucks. Tiny little Honda Pochetti or something, dude, but it's literally, I don't know how to explain. It's smaller than a K truck for sure. Another sick R32. Rip the Meisters though. I would have loved to run them with a kit, but this thing's sweet. This is something that we don't see here a whole lot in the States. Aristo, let alone kitted out on some nice gram lights, dude. This thing, I love it. I love this color too. 180 right here, dude, is so hot. I love this color. Black wheels on it work. Freaking nice SEMA, Gloria, whatever this is, dude. They are always so bent in the front. I love that this guy went camber front and rear, and the color on this thing, it's very similar to my car in person. Funny enough, the first time I saw this car was Chattanooga last year. 2-tone, 3 pieces, aired out, so clean. So one of the main reasons I love Riverside is there is not a bad car in here, dude. Every car in here is so well gone through. It's a very selective show, but for good reason. It's free to come in, walk around, and look at the cars. But literally, dude, every car I'm surrounded by is so nice. Nice wheels, fully gone through builds, nice paint. Like anything that can be touched on these cars has been replaced and gone through. For example, RB26, big single, S15 on some Nismo wheels, dude. So freaking good. There are so many R32s this year. White sedan, gray sedan, coupe, GTR. I think there might be one behind it. And then the amount of other R32s that I've seen just out in the lot and driving around, there are so many this year. Oh, dude, homeboy made it from Washington again. 40 hours they drove last year to Gatlinburg, so he made it. This 911 is 100% my favorite car here. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see why this is what I want? So good. Talk about big money right here with these tails. These are awesome, dude. I don't even want to know how much they were though. This thing's sweet. If anybody went to Riverside in 2021, Did the show come out to the right of the building last year, or is this all new accommodations? I remember they had a couple vendors over here on this side, but I don't remember any show parking out here. But the show somehow got even better this year. Any of you rig lovers out there, dude, we got brand new GX, old GX, a nice Taco over here, new Bronco, and possibly an old Bronco. I don't know what that is down there, but always nice to see the rigs out the shows too. R33 sedan on Rega Masters, dude. This makes me miss the white a little bit, but definitely happy I went with the green. What is going on, guys? It is Sunday night. We are leaving bright and early tomorrow morning. Our checkout is at 10, but we got the car loaded up, and it just has done so good all weekend. I felt really pretty sick over the last couple days. I've literally had to take a couple naps, gone to bed very early, so I apologize that I haven't filmed a whole lot. I really just needed to take care of myself and prepare for this 8-9 hour drive back home tomorrow. But we are going to be hanging out and making some dinner at the house. We went to a photo shoot earlier today, but that was about it. Not a whole lot going on today, but I'm sad to leave. I don't want to leave yet. We just got here, dude. What the hell? But anyways, catch y'all in a minute.